Today's tip is how to have a good relationship. Hey, that rhymes. Brent Elias here, and a problem a lot of people face is that they don't know how to make sure their relationship with the factory is strong, right? And the problem with that is that if you don't have a good relationship with the factory, then a few things can happen. You could be charged more. Remember, there's a different price. There's your local price, your Australian or your US price, and then there's a Chinese price, and we want the Chinese price. And the other problem is if they don't have a good relationship with the factory, if something goes wrong, then you're in a lot of trouble. Okay, because they won't look after you if there's a problem unless there is a bit of relationship. So that's an obvious problem. So what's the solution? Well, I found that there are three main solutions to solving this problem. The first is to use a sourcing agent. And a sourcing agent is someone who has a good relationship between you and the factory and communicates in local. Often they speak Chinese or they speak the local language and they all do all the hard work for you. And the way to get a sourcing agent, send us a message below. Part of our membership is we give you some training on sourcing. And the second thing I would always recommend for you to build a relationship is to actually do Skype video calls instead of hiding behind text. They love Skype in China, so get to know them face to face and build that relationship and talk to them instead of typing it out. Actually have a visual conversation and do that regularly. I'd recommend at least every 2 months. And the last thing I would recommend, of course, is to go visit them and go spend time at the factory. You'll never, ever get the best price until you visit them face to face. Go out, have dinner with them, drink vodka with them, have some Tsingtao beer in China, and go out and sing karaoke. Bryan Adams is always a hit in China. And don't ever get angry or pissed off or aggressive if something goes wrong. Just be cool and be like Fonzie, play it cool. So that's it. That's my tip for today. Always make sure you're building a strong relationship with the factory for better price and quality. That's it. If you like this, share this tip with all your friends, please, 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 and make sure that you subscribe and click the bell icon so you're always notified of the latest tip. That's it from me today.